spot to park, right?
Oh,
nice little spot you got.
So it's like
Nice.
trying to do the.
Trying to get up to Simcoe, yeah.
Well, it's going to be paddling Simcoe.
Yeah.
There, so. Yeah, so it's not bad. It's just up from Peterborough. Basically.
Okay, yeah.
So it's a beautiful spot here.
Yeah,
so
so I always come up and visit every now and again just to, you know, such.
And it works.
Exactly, right?
Pretty cool. So anyway, it's an absolute blast. So.
I'm gonna walk up. There's a bike. Look at that bike. Pretty cool. Right? Start stopping here. Grocery store's been there for fucking